Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine with the grace of God as well as you.
Okay. Yeah. Looking very happy today, huh?
Yes, I,
Okay.
I,
Yeah.
if you want to stay happy, I think we should have positivity. Only then you can
Yeah.
only then anyone can stay happy. That's why I think so. We should always try to maintain our happiness.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. So, what do you want to talk about today?
It is totally
Is there?
depend on you, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll give you one topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, today's topic for the discussion is YouTube. How is the topic?
Good.
Okay. So, let's get started without any further delay. So,
Yes.
Mr. J, there are two search engines famous worldwide. Number one is Google, and second one is YouTube, and they are interlinked with each other. Okay, so today we are going to discuss YouTube in a great detail. So first of all, tell me, how much time do you spend on YouTube daily?
Before, I think so. Before 1 month, I didn't I didn't used to spend my time on YouTube. But right now I am spending more and more time on YouTube because I want to improve my communication. That's why right now I am giving more and more time on YouTube because you know very well with the help of YouTube you can get so many things, and right now in on YouTube you will get everything. That's why if you have need anything you can go on YouTube. By searching you can find whatsoever you want to find, and with the help of YouTube you can solve all kind of problem. That's why I think right now YouTube is boon.
Okay, okay, so you consider YouTube is a boon. Okay, so Mr. J, there are some positive aspects and negative aspects of YouTube as well. So let's talk
Yes,
about
yes.
first what are the advantages or pros of YouTube.
There are so many advantage of YouTube, and you must have mentioned here there are there are two side of each coin. That's why
Yeah.
right now first of all we are going to discuss about advantage. That I think so there are so many advantage of YouTube because due to YouTube you are so popular nowadays.
Okay.
If if it had not been you won't be so popular. That's why I think so YouTube is such platform where each and every can perform their talent, that you need not to get permission anyone. If you,
Mhm.
for example, if you want to show your talent on TV channel, first of all you'll have to do so many things to reach there. But if you want to do same thing on YouTube, you can create your YouTube channel and you can show your talent. That's why I think it is very easiest way to reach out anyone. That's why YouTube is playing very important role in the life of each and every one. And if you
Okay.
want to learn anything from YouTube, we can learn very easily. That's why I think so YouTube is very important for all of us. If anybody want to collect any kind of information, you can get. In other words, you can say, you must have heard this saying, youtube is panacea of all disease. I think
Okay.
so.
Okay. So now let's talk about disadvantages of YouTube. So
Yeah,
what are the disadvantages according to
there are
you?
there are so many disadvantages of YouTube. I think so. So many content is such uploaded by so many people on YouTube that is harmful our society, because
Okay.
you know very. What are you saying, sir? Are you saying anything?
No, no, I said okay.
Okay, okay. Our society, because so many people are such who is who is indulge in YouTube, but they don't have proper knowledge about that, and that's why they watch so many content that is not useful for them. For example, we can take our children; they are not able to differentiate between good and bad. That's why they they come come to contact such channel which is spoil his life. For example, you can take so many game in such that is
Mm,
not useful for our children. In spite of that, our children are playing that game. That's why I think so. And you, in YouTube there is no check and bound. You can upload any kinds of video. That's why I think so many disadvantage of YouTube. I think so we should have rule and regulation about YouTube, so that first of all we should filter the content. After that, government let the allow other person upload that kinds of video. It can be very useful for us.
okay. And Mr. J, I see one of the biggest disadvantages of YouTube as people can defame anyone easily. Okay, for example, if someone is very famous on YouTube, so people try to spread rumors against that personality, making videos, and they become famous because of that person.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
so isn't it isn't it one of the biggest disadvantages of YouTube?
Yes, yes, it is also big disadvantage of YouTube, because you are doing so hard to get popularity and so many things. With the help of that, we are
Yeah,
getting anything without doing anything. That's why I think so. Uh, ab- Talent must be rewarded, but
yeah.
due due to this kind of things, talent are unable to get real reward. That's why I think so what you are saying is absolutely right. That's why I told you we should have rule and regulation about all these things, so that we cannot copy each other, and we should also try to upload our own content.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. Let's come to your personal choice. What are your favorite channels that you watch on YouTube?
Right now I have one favorite channel, that is Rajya Sabha TV.
Okay.
With the help of that, I am trying to learn so many things. That's why, and I think so Raj Sabha TV is not biased for anyone. That's why Raj
Okay.
Sabha TV always try to show real things, and you can get so many advantage with the help of Raj Sabha TV, because what is happening around our country, around across our world, we will get find there, because what Raj Sabha invite so many reputed reputed people who is who is getting enjoy of
Who are? Who are?
who are sorry who are getting enjoy of different and different field, and they are expert in their field.
Okay. So is Rajya Sabha TV in Hindi or English?
In English, I only prefer English,
Okay.
because I want to improve my English. That's why I always prefer which channel that so English channel.
Okay. And who is your favorite YouTuber that you watch and enjoy a lot?
right now i right now, beside of you, I don't watch anyone else on YouTube. Uh,
Okay.
I watch only you, as well as Raj Sabha TV. And right
Okay.
now I am also so many people on YouTube who is in conversing each other.
No, no.
But
Who are conversing? Conversing is the
yes,
verb. Okay.
yes, yes, who are conversing each other. In
Okay.
other words, you
So
can say converse.
okay. So you these days you are watching conversational videos on
Yes,
YouTube.
yes. Uh,
Okay, okay, yeah. So Mr. J, do you have any plan to come on YouTube, making
yes,
your
yes,
getting your own YouTube channel?
yes, yes. I have plan. I am thinking about all these things, and I think so. We are going to on YouTube very recently
Okay.
because
So when are you?
I
Yeah.
believe everything depends on situation. According to situation, we should try to mold ourselves. A- and
Okay.
YouTube is such platform where you can show your talent. That's why I think if you have anything, I think so you should try to expose, and with the help of that you can make other person aware, and you can make reach out other.
Okay. So what kind of content are you going to upload on your channel?
I am going to upload related to English as well
Okay.
technical related, because I have done my degree in electrical sector. That's why I am going to
Hmm.
uploading both kind of video, English
o-
conversation as well as technical.
Okay. So you are gonna make two channels, or are you going to work only on one channel?
I am going to do only one channel.
Okay. But I would like to give you a piece of advice that you should make two different channels. Okay. One for English conversation and another one for tech. Okay. Because tech people will not be interested to watch English conversation, and English conversation interested people will not watch your tech videos. So it will, in this way, there will not be one particular niche. So you should make two different channels. Okay, this is
Okay,
just
okay,
my
thank
piece of advice for you.
you.
Okay.
Thank you. Your your advice is so useful for me. In this way,
Okay.
I can get popular very easy,
Mm,
because we
yeah.
should always try to serve. We should always try to serve according to need, which kind of
Yes.
need people. Only then we can serve the other. That's why first of all we should try to understand need of other. According to that we should try to act. Only then we can make popular ourselves. That's why thank you for so much giving me so
o-
important feedback.
Okay. So now, Mr. J, whenever I feel any difficulty, technical difficulty in a particular app or in the mobile setting, and if I don't know how to fix it, I use YouTube to understand that particular problem to be fixed. So, do you also have any kind of habit to fix any technical problem with the help of YouTube?
No, no, I don't have any knowledge related to YouTube, because I have knowledge related to electrical electrical field. That's
Okay,
why if you have any problem related to electrical field, then if you contact me, I can solve that problem.
okay,
But YouTube is part of IT. The person who
okay,
is pursuing their IT, they can solve this kind of problem.
okay. Yeah, but I was trying to open my account. Okay, I was going to sign up in Razorpay account. Okay, so I didn't have any idea how it works. So I watched some of the videos on YouTube, and I came to know about Razorpay, and made account. I opened my account in it, and I put it on my website course as well. So YouTube helped me create my account in Razorpay. So do you also watch these kind of videos to get information about a particular thing on YouTube?
Yes, yes, sir. That's why I told you YouTube is Pensia of RDC. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact Mr. YouTube and Google, and you will surely find out solution. If it does not matter which kind of problem you have.
Okay, and Mr. Jain,
Whenever I
yeah.
get stuck anywhere, I use either Google or YouTube to solve my problem.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. J. Some people when they buy any particular item, okay, or any particular electrical device, they have research on it, okay, and many YouTubers, they show pros and cons of a particular mobile, computer, laptop, any device, okay. So while watching YouTube videos on a particular thing, we can come to know what kind of product and what's the quality of the product, okay. So do you also watch some YouTube videos before buying anything?
Actually, right, yeah, I don't think I don't do so, because it is good habit. If you are going to buy anything, first of all you should collect information about that. Only can you can prefer according to your choice, and you can get right things. Because if you are unable to get right thing, you will going to you will going to spend your money in unuseless things. That's why I think so it is very necessary whenever we go to buy anything. First of all, we should try to write knowledge according to that product, so that we will able to write things. Because we we are earning money so hardly. That's why by earning so hardly, we cannot waste our money in cheap and inferior quality product. That's why we should always utilize our money in proper place. That's why I think so what you are saying absolutely right. If you have no knowledge about anything, we should collect knowledge. It does not matter where from where this knowledge is coming. Or suppose that I don't have much and more knowledge about in English. That's why I am taking your class. I don't have any problem to take your class, and that's why I think so. Knowledge should be come. It does not matter from where it is coming.
Okay, okay. So this is your open-mindedness. Okay, I would say this is the open-mindedness that you are attending my class and my tutor's class. Okay, Mr. J, how was that session taken by Mr. Jahangir, Sheikh Jahangir? How was that session?
That session was very good. I
Okay,
I enjoyed a lot.
okay. So you didn't have any problem with that particular
No, I
tutor?
don't. I didn't have any problem. I didn't have any problem. I also want to communicate different person. That's why I don't have any problem. If you are advert my if you are advert my session each other, that's why I don't have any problem. I can communicate anyone.
Okay. So in future, I'm definitely gonna schedule your lesson with one of my other tutors. Okay. Yeah. So
I
Mr.
would
J, final
I
question.
would like
Yeah.
I would like I would like. I don't have any
Okay.
problem.
Yes, yes. Okay, no problem. So now, final question I'm asking you. You said you wanna come on YouTube on your own channel. What is the purpose of coming on YouTube?
I want to make aware. I want to make aware people, because you will find
I
so
want
many
to
people.
make people aware. I want to
I
make
want to
people
make
aware.
people aware. I want to make people aware, because so many people around us who is not able to get right things. That's why I want to be motivate that person. That's why I want to serve the society. I think so.
Okay.
YouTube is such platform where we can serve the society very easily, because Earth is great reflector. That's why whatsoever we are getting from Earth, we should try to return. Only then you can maintain balance. That's why I want to maintain balance. I want to serve our society whatsoever right now I have. That's why I want to distribute. I want to serve our country whatsoever right now I have.
Okay. So your intention is just to serve the country. That's it. You don't want to earn anything. You don't want to be famous on YouTube. That's it.
No. Totally, I tot, I don't want to earn with the help of YouTube and anything, but I want to serve. By serving, you can
Okay.
automatically earn. I know very well.
Okay. Okay. No problem at all. So, Mr. J, now I'm getting disconnected because 1 minute is I have got late 1 minute. I have to start another session with another student. Yeah. So
Okay,
take care
okay,
of you. Yeah. Bye bye.
okay. Bye bye.